Welcome to 3708 Lana Avenue, an upscale 8-bedroom, 6-bathroom home located in the highly sought-after Windsor Island Resort in Davenport, Florida. This luxuriously large Baymont model with over 4,000 square feet of living space has been meticulously furnished by City Furniture, with every detail carefully selected by the owners, reflecting their pride in ownership. The open concept floor plan boasts a large living and dining room combination that seamlessly connects to the stylishly appointed kitchen. Designed for gatherings and entertaining, it offers modern cabinetry, granite countertops, a large center island plus chairs and sleek stainless steel appliances. The living area features a 75-inch HD Smart TV, 2 striking Chesterfield-style sofas, accent chairs and entertainment center incorporating a fireplace that sets the tone for those cozy evenings. Glamorous furnishings are featured throughout the home, as well as detailed wall paneling and carefully curated decorative accents, making it a true showpiece, perfect for both personal enjoyment and as a high-end vacation rental property. The home offers 2 spacious primary bedroom suites, one conveniently located on the first floor with direct access to the pool area, and the other on the second floor. Each suite includes its own well-appointed ensuite bathroom, ensuring comfort and privacy for guests or homeowners alike. With 6 additional bedrooms and 4 more bathrooms, this home is designed to comfortably accommodate large groups of guests, making it perfect for family gatherings, reunions, or group vacations. The expansive, second-floor loft area offers a vibrant entertainment space, featuring a pool table, foosball, air hockey, and a dedicated movie-watching area, perfect for relaxation and leisure. Windsor Island has quickly become known as one of the very best vacation resorts in the Disney tourist corridor, offering some of the best amenities ever seen in this area. Guests and owners will be thrilled by the large clubhouse incorporating sundry shop, fitness center, arcade game room, Blue Marlin bar and restaurant, playground, mini putt-putt golf course, a fire pit with direct Disney firework views, heated beach-style pool, lazy river with water slides, and more. Call Susan at Fathom Realty today for your private viewing on 407-259-6211.